Welcome to the second class of weaving, and in this class we have already prepared the warp yarns. We need to number the warp yarns 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and so on. So I have also written the numbers here 1, 2, 3, 4 so that there is no confusion when you are doing the plain weave. So in the first one all the odd number of yarns will be up. So let's see how do you do it. So I've taken the normal molly thread so that the thickness of the warp and the thickness of this will match. So one is all up. When I say up, then this warp yarn is up, so it's showing. So when I say down, this means that the second warp yarn is going down, therefore the weft is showing. So one up and one down, meaning one warp is showing, one weft is showing. Yeah. So just do like this, one up, one down. So complete the entire width, one up, one down, and leave slightly extra. So you can push it down with the help of a fork, which can be a comb also. So make it straight like that. I'm going to cut this now and I'm going to insert the second yarn. Or I can continue also. I can take a longer yarn and continue with this also. Okay, so this can make a selvage then. When it returns it, so this one will be down now and the second one will be up. So now this time we are doing 2, 4, 6. Yes. So leave it slightly loose. See how it's coming? So when you interlace 2 yarns, so the repeat is only over 2 yarns in this. So molly thread also I have doubled it. Okay, so finish till the end, beat it up, and then we are supposed to return it back again. So from here this is down, then this one should be up. Alternate the pattern of interlacing, otherwise it will, yeah. So we can come back also now. Right? See how beautiful this is looking. So reverse, one up, one down. So same way, reach till this point. Okay, so what you can do is, when you reach this point, again you can return. Right? So beat it up slightly, softly, because we want to. Right? So when you return it like this, there is a finished edge here. So this is called a selvage. So generally sometimes people might put more yarns here so that the fabric lies flat on this side and on this side. So again repeat the same. So this one is up, now it goes down. So that's one up, one down. So when you reach the end, just beat lightly and then return once again. So this is down, so this should be up in the next one, like this. So this is ordinary your plain weave. So you can play with the colors with different kinds of stripes, or you can return in between and start doing some pattern if you wish to, but that could be in the center. So make a border first of a plain weave, or you can do the entire thing in stripes. Thank you.